guys, it's Nikki Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Thanksgiving DIY. I'm just going to be showing you how I make my garland for my dining table. I didn't really find any that I liked this year, so I figured why not make my own. That way it'd be exactly what I want. Now you don't have to use this on your dining table. You could also use this on your mantle, in your kitchen, draped on your cabinets, on your island, on your buffet table. Really, you can use this anywhere in your house. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. So let's get started. Before we get started, you'll just need some measuring tape. Now, if you don't have any measuring tape, you can just kind of eyeball it. Some wire cutters, some floral wire, and I got this from Dollar Tree. Some rope or twine, just depending how full you want your garland. Now, I suggest for a more fuller garland, something that might be a little bit more heavier, I would definitely use the rope so you'll have a more supportive base because it's a lot thicker. But if you just want something more light and flowy and not too much going on, you could just use the twine. And I got both of these from Dollar Tree. And then of course all of your floral. Now I got all of my floral from Michael's because it was 80% off, so I got a really good deal on it. But you can use whatever you'd like, really whatever you think is pretty. That's the whole purpose of this video, so you can custom make to your liking. I was just going for more warm tones and for more of like a traditional Thanksgiving look, so I just grabbed whatever I thought was pretty. And then I just have my glue gun and some scissors here just in case I need them, so I just have those on hand. But yeah, this is everything that you will need, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I already went ahead and cut my rope off camera. I just measured out 6 feet because that's how long I want my garland, but of course you could do yours any length you'd like. And then I went ahead and got my hot glue gun and I just put a little bit of glue on each end just to prevent it from running or coming undone or anything like that. So I have that ready and I'm just going to put it to the side. And then all of my floral is laid out and I got that ready to go. I just cut off each individual piece that was on these long stems. You know how they come like one big stem. I just cut off each piece and laid those out. And I kind of put them in the order that I want to go as I make my bundles. And yeah, so you're just gonna grab your floral wire, and I say you measure out about 6 inches or so. It doesn't have to be exact. And I'm just gonna cut a few pieces just to have those ready so I don't have to, you know, stop and cut, stop and cut. I just have them ready to go so I can just grab and go. But yeah, so just gonna cut a few of those. And then I actually already made a few bundles. I thought I was recording earlier and I was just going and going, but I wasn't. I don't know what happened, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have done already. So basically this is what they'll look like, all your bundles. I just grabbed like 4 or 5 pieces and put them together. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically this is what you wanna do. You're going to grab a piece of your wire. You're just going to wrap it around. And what I like to do is just twist it first. So you're just going to twist it and then what's left you're going to wrap around. So you want to make sure you have it twisted enough to where it's actually like tight. And then the rest you're just going to pull around until, and then yeah, so there's one of your bundles. And then of course you could do this however you'd like. You could do more pieces if you want. It's totally up to you. And then I'm just, as I make them, I'm just gonna put them to the side. And I'm just gonna keep going until I'm all out of floral. And then you just remember, twist a little bit and then wrap around, and then you have your bundle. And then of course once you're done you can like mix it up, play with it. And then we're just gonna make another one. You know, we'll just use one of these as well. So yeah, then we're just gonna again twist and then wrap it around. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm all out of pieces, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. So there's another one. now that I have all of my bundles ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and start attaching them to the rope. Now I already went ahead and got started just so you could kind of see what it'll look like. I just have 2 pieces on there so far, and the same way you attached your bundles together, you're gonna attach the bundle to the rope. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started so you guys can see. So basically, you're just gonna grab your next bundle, and then you're just gonna overlay it slightly over the last one, but not completely on top of it. So just about right there. And then you're gonna grab some wire, and I already have my wire pre-cut, and it's about 6 inches long. And then the same way, like I said, that you attach your bundles together, you're gonna attach the bundle to the rope. So you're gonna wrap it around the bundle and the rope really tight, just until you have no more wire. And yeah, so there's 3. And then you're just gonna grab your next bundle, same thing, lay it over the last piece, and then you're gonna grab some wire. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just twist and then just wrap it around. But make sure it's tight. You don't want it loose, because you don't want it falling apart. And also, you notice how I can lift this up to show you guys underneath? You can also attach a piece of wire to this end and here. That way it doesn't lift. So I'm just gonna grab the next bundle. I'm trying to grab different looking ones. And then same thing, grab my wire. Twist it around, make sure it's tight, and then just wrap it around. This is super easy. If I can do it, I promise you can, because I'm definitely not a professional, and this is actually my first time making a garland, believe it or not. So yeah. So once you get about halfway, then you just want to start laying them the opposite direction. So like I said, about halfway, instead of going this way, I'm just going to turn it and go that way. I'm just going to go underneath and like that, and I'm going to wrap it, same thing, onto the rope. So in the middle is where you have to get in there, but it's okay, it's not hard. It's just a little hard to show on camera, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. So yeah, so as you can see, it covers, you don't really see anything right there. And yeah, so now we're just working the other way. And you could, instead of doing it this way, you could just start from this end and work your way in. But I just rather work my way from here out just to make sure that I have enough filled in and I have it spaced out evenly. So yeah, because I would hate to start over here and then run out. So yeah, it's a little bit more tricky because you have to go from underneath, but it's okay. So just gonna, same thing, wrap the wire around the bundle and attach it to the rope, twist really tight, and then wrap around. So that's all you're doing. You're just grabbing your bundles and attaching it to the rope, and that's it. Final look. I just have it laid out on my dining table right now so you can see the full length of it, but I will show you guys what I end up doing with it and how I style it and everything like that in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And I also wanted to add that I went back in and I added a couple of pieces of wire to each bundle just so it'd be more secure and not move around as much, and I like it a lot better now. And I also had to cut off a little bit of rope. So basically what I did was I started on one end and just worked my way all the way until I ran out of bundles. And once I did, I just cut whatever rope was left over off. So now it's about a little under 5.5 feet. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.